Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, first up tonight, we're talking about for the local market, the JSE. Kingston Wharves, ticker symbol KW, traded in their shares. A sale here, connected person or party selling 13,958 shares, just under 14,000. It happened March 18th, 2021. Now, KLE Group, we haven't spoken much about them, not too many corporate action items, on the JSE website. What they're saying here, an advisory to the stock exchange, late submission of their audited financial statements. So it's a company advisory that goes on to say that they're not in a position to submit the audited reports on time or for the year ended December 31st, 2020, which are due, right now or coming up, let's say. And they go on to say that it's due to a delay in the audit process brought on by the pandemic COVID-19. But they're expected to get this submitted to the JSE on or before April 19th, 2021. Now in overseas markets, international markets, Darden Restaurants, a restaurant group or company that a lot of persons love globally. They came up with the results here. The market really expected them to do pretty poorly or bad. Of course, with what's happening with the retail restaurants, a lot of them had to file for bankruptcy, Chapter 11 in 2020, and everything that was happening with the pandemic. Now, in this case, they surprised the street. They beat Wall Street overall. They beat the analyst estimates. They came up with some great results here, especially Olive Garden really did well. So Olive Garden's parent company is actually Darden. So they really just crushed expectations. This is for the fiscal third quarter or Q3 earnings. Let's get to some of the numbers. So they hit 98 cents, that's US 98 cents per share versus expectation of 69 cents per share. So they crushed it. Now the revenue came in even better than expected, 1.73 billion US dollars, which was more than 100 million US dollars more than expected. Now in the media side, NewsCorp making deals happen despite the pandemic, even in the traditional space, buying up a company here, Business Daily, for a lot of money during the pandemic. Deal said to be priced around 275 million US, purchasing from O'Neill Capital Management. Now this deal or this company is actually Los Angeles based, LA based. It's a financial news firm. Business is rocking, stock market's doing very well, low interest rates despite the pandemic. So this company here, NewsCorp, making a play in the business space. Last up on the JSE, we got Fesco IPO here. It's back on, folks. You would recall the prospectus got pulled down or taken down. They wanted to fix a few things, but it's back on, and that's confidence for the capital markets, the stock market overall. So it's republished, it's back out there on the JSE website, jamstockx.com. That's Fesco, gas station group of companies, oils, lubricants, all that fancy stuff and good stuff. So it's out there now. Let's get to the numbers. Lead broker, NCB Capital Markets, continuing to do big things in the stock market. It opens right around the corner, end of March, March 31st, 2021. It closes April 9th, 2021. As the prospectus says, it raises at least 400 million Jamaican, expected to do well. I'm Mark Croskery, this is Business Live.